Hi everyone, my name is Lillian. You're welcome back to my channel. So on today's video, we'll be continuing with the Venetian Plaster series that I talked about on the previous video, and we'll be talking about the bricks Venetian Plaster. So if you're yet to subscribe, kindly subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and share it. Thank you and welcome back. So the first thing I do is mix my colors. I chose 3 colors. The maximum number of colors required for a neat stucco job is actually 3 colors. You can do 2, you can even go for 1 tone depending on what is demanded of you. Before applying the pattern, I applied the plain white Venetian plaster on the base and then you let it dry. It's highly recommended that before you do any design on Venetian plaster stucco, you should give it a base, a plain white base, before you start doing anything on it. So that's exactly what I did. Then when you let it dry, you proceed to taping. So while I was taping, I took the vertical and the horizontal measurements of what I'm trying to achieve. If you are doing it on wall, you are taking the vertical and the horizontal measurements on the wall, and then divide it equally according to the size of the bricks you want to achieve. If you want the bricks to be in 5 meters, then you are taking the measurement and dividing it in 5 meters to give you the number of bricks it will give. It depends on the size of what you want. Remove the excess tips to achieve those bricks. And while you are taping, make sure that your taping is straight. It's very, very important. And seal the edges of your tape with the Venetian plaster or the stucco. The reason why you need to seal it is to hold it down so it doesn't slip off, because if you're trying to apply the other thing that's supposed to come on top of it, it might slip off. So you need to hold down the tape with the white Venetian plaster. Use it like a sealant and seal it before you continue with whatever it is you are doing. The 3 different sheets of the tinted plasters over the tapes. That is when the pattern starts. So what I'm trying to achieve here is 50% of the red color, 35% of the black color, and 15% of the yellowish brown color. So whenever you use it, you are doing a bricks design, you should know the percentage of the colors you want to apply. It will also help you with your mode of application. You know the one that you want to come out more, you know the one you want to see lesser. Then you can start with those ones, then augment the other ones. That's exactly what I did. then you apply them in no particular order. A real bricks design doesn't have pattern. If you see bricks, they don't have patterns. They don't. So for you to mimic bricks, you make sure you scatter the colors in a way that whoever sees it gets confused on how the colors were blended. That's exactly what I am doing, and that's the beauty of it. So when we are done with the blending and comfortable with what we have, we now remove the tape, and voila, this is what a typical bricks, Venetian plaster bricks looks like. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel for more Venetian plaster and stucco videos. I'll be leaving my WhatsApp link on my description box in case if you have questions on tools and materials to buy. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.